Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can open the device manager in your Windows 11 or 10. Okay, if you're using laptop, desktop, the process is the same. So let's start the video. There is a few way. Okay, the first way, you can simply just right click on that window icon, start button, just right click on it, and here you can see the option called device manager. Here the device manager you can see, or you can simply search in search bar device manager. You can see, you can open from here also. And if you go to the control panel, and here go to this view by, go to the large icon, and the large icon you can see this device manager. You can open this, and there is a one shortcut key which is window plus X. Hit the window plus X and you can see this list, and you can find that device manager here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.